Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'm opening up the OrcaTorch D530 flashlight. It's a 1300 lumen dive light that I'll be using scuba diving. Rated for a depth of 150 meters, so that's deeper than I've ever gone. Plan to go anytime soon. And run time 4 hours and 30 minutes maximum. It has a little bit different beam angle at 8%, which I think that might be something a little different than some of my other dive lights. But I was really happy with the other OrcaTorch, the D550 light that I have. And so I'm happy to give this light a review and kind of go over it. So one thing I noticed on the end, it doesn't have the area to get caught on like the other light has. But it does have a little spot to attach like a little lanyard or ring or something like that. And one of the cool things that I noticed as I opened this up earlier is like, wait, it didn't come with a battery charger. What are you supposed to do? And then I realized, it does say on the website, you can plug this USB right into the battery. So you don't need to carry a charger with you. So that would be nice for traveling, because when I'm traveling, I usually have like 3 of these plus a dual, trying to get maximum charging, to get all my lights charged up. I have noticed that since the last time I did an OrcaTorch light review, it's a big deal that this particular charger, this is the one that came with the D550, has an actual plug-in, which is kind of nice, because I'm always running out of the USB, the things to plug the USB into, whether it's computer ports or phone chargers or whatever. It seems like there's just never enough. There's so many different things that need a USB charger, and the fact that they don't come with something to plug this into is kind of annoying. But same thing with so many other things, like even the GoPro I've got didn't come with anything to just plug the USB into. You have to plug it into your phone charger or the USB charger in your car, or maybe you've got a lamp that has a USB charger, or whatever. That was kind of nice about the D550, but nice thing about this is that you do not need an extra charger. It uses the 18650, same battery that the other OrcaTorch and a few of my other lights use. And you kind of see, okay, that's high beam, low beam. One thing would be the little serial number. It's got a number right up here for your warranty registration, if you're looking for that. So among all the things that you get here, you get a little flyer on some of the other OrcaTorch models that are available. You get a warranty registration card, asks for your store stamp, serial number, date of purchase, model number. Comes with a little lanyard, 3 extra O-rings. There's 3 O-rings on here. There's a little bit of grease on there, which is great. It's also, this is a pretty nice and compact light. That's one nice thing about it. It's pretty small. And then an extra little orange thing to go here. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Maybe that would wear out. I don't know. One thing to note is that the battery does come shrink wrapped. I haven't even read the instructions yet, but it looks like it has 2 brightness modes. So on, it's just 1 push. That goes down to a little less bright. There we go. It's got a little green right here, and the green is an indicator that it's pretty bright. Green is over 70% charge. It goes to orange when it's 30 to 70%. Red is 10 to 30%, and then flashing red is less than 10%. So it's going to tell you how much charge is left on it, which is pretty cool. The thing I found interesting is, so with the high and low beam, the lumens on the high beam is 1300 lumens, and that will give a maximum run time of 1 hour and 25 minutes. On the low beam, it is 380 lumens, and that is where you could get the potential maximum of 4 hour and 30 minute run time. There you go. Can't wait to go get this in the water.
Diving in low visibility conditions doesn't bother me, but what does bother me is losing a buddy. So when I'm diving in the Puget Sound, especially in May and June, in the daytime, visibility so poor, I insist that my buddies take a dive light. Normally, dive lights are required only for night dives, but in the Puget Sound, I think they are required, should be required for daytime dives.